People are dying. People are dying emotionally in marriages. Sometimes the things that we hear is unthinkable. A lot of people are living with their own enemies in the name of we got married under condition. And you are be out to be no man. I never had any love for you, but because of the pregnancy, I accepted you and your conditional love. Because marriage is not an inheritance. Praise God. Never push yourself on a man. And never by force to get married. People are dying. Something that God made for men to enjoy, it has become bitterness in a lot of people's heart in the name of marriage. Never marry anybody under condition. You will die early. Kasapa 102.5 FM. Because of what he has, you will die early. Let your heart speak to you about the person you want to marry. Conditional love kills people early. Or that a gina be so a kumni pante. The way you are will never be the same in 10 years time. So either it is because of who you are, the things that you have, the gina so the worry why in 5 years time it will change. Conditional love. So what you big mistake. Marriage is a different ball game altogether. But when two of you come and stay in the same room, under the same house, your friend is a roof. A marriage is not something that we call easy. It's when you will be you will die early. A lot of accidents. I see what Ghana hanging out. Don't want to feel pressure. Before driver be free, now they are in a yellow. So they have to train and they drive it. Conditional marriage. So be young mama to a fafre. I can manipulate woman come. It will surprise you. In the name of marriage. When you are being communicated, marriage is not a race. Take your time. Sabobra swan. Now we need the obedient. And yet you walk. And Nantia woman Baba Brabomina. And the answer no sister who of which and also which and announce me now. It is because of what you have. A bad man or don't know has no basis why he loves you. Or bow or don't will be able to so. Or who now when I Kenya no say indeed this is the man I have to marry to. But and nearby Yana Sunina. What by your research? A Christ forward year good papa. Because even in that time, you're for some form of worry. For some to be catching the soft case was a warrior without we know about. Yes, Sanya Wadia. Attitude in marriage is the most important thing. If you don't have an attitude, a positive attitude, you will kill yourself in marriage. Go and see how pastors are pushing men and women for other men to marry. Conditional love. The beginning of our ministry.
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
The ministry by the time you realize, Obano who is so was coming. I've heard you sorry, yes, who bring you sick for we are far better times 10 than the woman you were married to. Because you married her with her money, you begin to have problem with your wife. Conditional marriage. Let me advise you. It is better for you to stay single than to marry a man under condition. I did my question as heaven. If I die today, I die as an individual. My children are separating themselves from me the day I will lay in bed. Nobody will be buried with me. Nobody will be buried. Don't rush into marriage. You will die early. Marriage is God's own plan. Or the never let anybody force you into marriage, and never force yourself on a woman or a man that you know you cannot love. Condition in marriages can kill you. Better. But the nipa, I'm gonna be the most difficult thing in the world. And so they have been married for almost about 55 years. But the Christians married with so many counselors in the world. Ghana, their counselors, not women in reverend, but marriages keeps going down. What is the problem? And over thousands of counselors in Ghana, yet the church marriages are dying. Because we push people to get married. Wrong advice. But the woman they said, woman who come he will never give you a bad thing. Never marry anybody because of what he has or she has. Because it may finish one day. Let your heart speak to you about a woman or a man you want to marry. When him said the people of them, people are dying. A lot of people are dying emotionally. They are going down every blessed day. Ministries and because of marriage. Why is something that God has made so beautiful and wonderful? Now there is so much problem with people. Because we always want to get married to somebody because of what he or she has. Conditional marriage. Never push yourself into anybody's life. Never let anybody take you for granted. I am nobody we call something sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. So many people you was school, you know, but you know that you don't love her. The lady. The way I'm in a channel, you have about 5 years. Sympathy marriage, and you're more than to die early. You know you don't love the lady. So why are you sympathizing with her? And you be any assassin will show we are your papa, your becca, your bonnie, becca. It is better you save yourself from problems than to have sympathy to marry a man, sympathy to marry a woman. God bless Ghana. Mommy, I'm out of the crime. Now, one more day, they can choose your life partner. One day, we know better than come up. Now, I say, at the end of the year, you're the best thing. But when now, a life partner, who come back to here, it is a Bama or Shatter the Fita. Now, when you have them, who say you have a problem, allow God to choose a life partner for you, and you will be eternally happy. Never push yourself on any man. That man is one power, sister. Don't rush. Let him go. Or man is one power. Let her go. Or bow baby and no one catch us a bram and pow. Let her go. Bram and pow. Sister and pow. No matter how many or how much you have spent in that relationship, your life is more important than what you have spent. Let him go. Let her go. And God will give you what your heart has been yearning for. Everywhere counselors, but Christian marriages are dying. Grace and mercy. Mercy must locate the church of God. Everybody in Israel. Everybody in Israel.